Welcome to Science Quiz.
The most primitive molluscan is A. Chiton. Which of the following is the largest part of the human brain? B. Cerebrum. In mammals, the skin performs all of the following functions except A. Accessory respiratory function. Which of the following statements in regard to the cell theory is not correct? B. Majority of organisms are composed of cells and cell products. Which of the following statement in regard to cells and atoms is not true? C. Both have the ability to reproduce. The function of production of fibers and matrix in the body is performed by which of the following cell types? D. Fibroblasts. Which of the following constricts or dilates the walls of blood vessels in the body? B. Histamine. The deficiency of which element causes anemia? A. Iron. Vomiting of the contents of stomach and of the upper intestinal tract is a complex reflex coordinated by the vomiting center in the A. Medulla of the brain. The nerve fibers in the brain and the spinal cord are C. Medullated fibers in both the cardiac or heart muscle functions. B. Involuntarily. The skin of which of the following functions as a site of cutaneous respiration? A. Amphibia. The nerve endings in the skin carry the sensation of D. All of these. The subcutaneous fat layer in the body is located D. Below the dermis. Fixation of nitrogen is the process by which A. Atmospheric nitrogen gets converted into useful compounds. Who amongst the following introduced the term chromatin and described the splitting of chromosomes for the first time? A. W. Fleming. Which of the following vitamins promotes healthy functioning of eyes? C. Vitamin A. Who amongst the following described that protoplasm is the physical basis of life? D. T.H. Huxley. Which of the following is the latest advancement in genetic engineering? B. Gene splicing. The process by which sun rays get converted into chemical energy is called B. Bioconversion. Metabolic processes yield substances which are harmful to the body. These are rendered harmless in the B. Liver. When the level of bile pigments increases in the plasma, which of the following is or are stained yellow? C. Both A and B above. In which of the following human organs does fat consumed gets broken down into fatty acids and glycerol? D. Small intestine. The kind of cells in human blood called lymphocyte perform the function of A. Formation of antibodies. The kind of cells in the human body which perform the function of transport of gases is C. Erythrocyte.